If you've ever wanted to save some money on diesel injectors and you search online, you'll probably find overwhelmingly lots of cheap injectors available for you to purchase. Are they good, trustworthy, or are they absolutely shit? We'll find out through this case what you potentially could purchase from online. Injector assembly bought from China that's marketed as genuine injector, and let's see what it looks like. This one is what my friend has bought from China. The part number would be 0445115064 for a Mercedes. Okay, so what is the problem with this one? This one, as soon as they have this one in the car do not start. As soon as they change this unit, the car starts. Everything looks like genuine, but from an untrained eye, you will be fooled. But for me, I can spot the difference between this one and this is a used injector and I have reconditioned for my customer. This is a real genuine injector. I'll show you some of the differences between these two. By the way, it comes in with this box. This box, every bit of it looks like a genuine box. Alright? Every little bit. I cannot say this is not a genuine box, but this product, the first thing is different color. Okay, Bosch color is this. This got a little bit of a bluish gray tint to it, and then look at this section. This section was previously melted. Now you compare that with this one, side by side. You see what I mean, the difference. This one has previously been melted. Normally people will not understand, but because I do this daily, I will tell. How do I say this one is melted? I will show you what I mean, because this is a very common. Say for example, this injector, look at it. It's melted because of blow-by. All these bits are reforming, right? Okay, so the cap is melted. Obviously they changed the cap, but the body they cannot change. So this section shows sign of a melted surface. Compare with the good one. Straight edge machined. Again. So that is what I mean. Here, we look at them again. You will understand what I mean. All these edges, all of these, look at this little bubble, these little bubble holes. All right, all of these edges, they used to be melted. So what is this? This is a refurbished unit, but they're faking it as a brand new genuine from China. These printing, they are not genuine. This is genuine printing. The letter, encoded letter, which means you cannot find this font anywhere else. Bosch has some patented format. Alright, this is how it looks like. But this one, very obviously they use something similar, but this is not original font. Okay? I have also made the same mistake because I want to find the answer of whether there's good quality aftermarket parts for diesel fuel injection. Even last year, I traveled overseas for 9 times. Now, I want to share with you on this channel what I have discovered and how I get my product right. I will show you everything I know in this industry. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. This is Bosch's latest DCI 700. 4 injectors together, no soft connection.